is Friday, thank goodness. Hi Sophie. I am headed off to run some errands because I actually leave on Monday for Italy. I have to run to the store, make some returns, pick up a few things, and then start packing. So I thought I would kind of share my weekend getting ready for my trip. Just keeping it super casual today. I'm wearing this baby tee with a little French bulldog logo. My sister got me this for Christmas, I think, and it's from Aritzia. Just wearing some garage jeans, and I'm actually trying to break in my new Sambas. They just hurt pretty bad here. This keeps poking into my ankle, so I'm just trying to get them a little less stiff. They're not as bad as they were when I first tried them on. I might return these shoes. I'm not sure yet. They're just really stiff, and I really love the colorway on them, but I'm not a fan of the kind of like snake looking print on the white part, so I might see if they have different ones. I'm keeping the blues, keeping those. And then these are these shoes, just in a different size, so I need to return those. And then I have to return, gosh, I'm like a return queen right now. I swear I don't normally perform these many transactions. To return this white cami top because I already have one from Aritzia I found on sale. I also never wear my hair in a bun like this. I feel like I'm just really lazy today, and it feels so good to have my hair pulled back and out of my face. Oh, it's hot.
Welcome to Starbucks. Can you start your food today?
No thank you.
What are we drinking?
Could I please do a cold brew iced coffee? Could I do a tall in a grande cup with extra ice?
Alright, we'll keep it now.
Thank you. I like never get Starbucks anymore. Probably get Starbucks maybe like once or twice a month. Recently I came back from a work trip and I was in the Arizona airport and they only had Peet's coffee. And I got their cold brew and it knocked my socks off. It was phenomenal. And I got Peet's coffee yesterday. I've been getting it on the weekends. I love Peet's coffee. I just felt like I didn't want to get it today just because their cold brew definitely gets me super caffeinated. And Peet's coffee is like all the way in the back side of town, which isn't that far, but it's out of the way. Just a little afternoon pick-me-up because I feel so tired right now. I feel like I could take a nap. Gosh, I feel like that looks pretty good. I don't think I've ever had Starbucks cold brew, so this is going to be the moment of truth, whether this beats Peet's coffee or not, which I don't think it will. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Storage space in my closet. I saw a TikTok of these girls using these in their closet and stacking them, so I think I want to get some and do the same thing. don't know what it is, but keeping my hair out of my face right now just has me in a chokehold. It feels so good. to have my hair pulled back, and like I don't think I look the best in this hairstyle, but I'm just going to wear it because it's so hot out and it just feels really good to have hair out of my face. Wearing a pretty basic and boring outfit today. Still trying to break in these ridiculous shoes. These jeans from Garage. This black tank from Aritzia. All of my jewelry, well, most of it is from Atalaya. The middle one is from Linear, and so is this one. And then this one is from Stay Golden, Hawaii. Oh, it always breaks my heart when I have to leave you here, but I won't be gone for long. I won't be gone for long. Could I please do a tall cold brew in a grande cup with extra ice?
With extra ice, you got anything else I can get for you today?
Could I get it with 3 pumps of vanilla and half and half?
Sorry, you wanted what in that one? Tall cold brew in a grande cup with extra ice and what?
3 pumps of vanilla and half.
Okay.
And that'll be it.
You got it. I'll see when you get up here.
Thank you. I've also been so hungry, but nothing sounds good. Like this morning, I was starving. Couldn't bring myself to eat anything except for a piece of toast, and even right now I'm getting really hungry, but nothing sounds good. Maybe I'll get kava later. There's a kava next to the store I'm going to. Sorry, I just read a funny text message. I like made this video and I sent it to Abby and my best friends. My best friends Abby and Nikki. Basically it's just like a TikTok trend where it's like a collaboration of all these different clips with you and your friends, and I sent it to them like a while ago, and only Abby responded, and so Nikki responded and she goes, wow, sorry, just saw this, love it. And then I responded, just being sarcastic, I was like, if you don't want to be friends anymore, just say so. And Nikki responded with like, we all have ugly contact photos for each other, and so she responded, I don't want to be friends anymore, with like a screenshot of my face, and it's like a horrible picture of me, it's disgusting. So I like sent hers back and I was like, okay, bye. And she thought it was hilarious. Because I for sure have the win on her for ugly photo.
That's on the grande cup for
Thank
you.
you. Oh, sorry. Could I get a straw and a little extra thing of half and half? Thank you. Thank you. Oh gosh. I'm hungry. I'm starting to get hangry. I'm totally not supposed to be drinking caffeine. I already made coffee at home this morning. For dinner, I decided to pick up food from this local place in San Clemente called Super Bowl Express, and they just have the most delicious, fresh tasting food, and they do bowls, sushi, and they're just amazing. And they make these homemade hot sauces that are so good. They're really hot. And then these peppers, it's just amazing. I think I get them like at least once every 2 to 3 weeks. They're just so good. And I think I'm going to finish watching the last season of Emily in Paris. This is one of my favorite shows. I love it so much, and it's definitely really cheesy. I think it's so funny and cute, and yeah, I just love this show so much. So I'm going to eat my food and watch the season that just came out. So let me show you what I got. Before I do the sneakers, I actually ordered some Tevas off of Amazon. I just really wanted some comfortable walking sandals, and my friend has these and she influenced me, and everyone just keeps saying that they're really comfortable and they're the perfect shoe for tons of walking. So the first pair that I got are these Puma Palermos in the tan color. I just fell in love with them. I kept seeing them online. They just looked so different in person than they did online, and I tried them on and they're so comfortable. I don't know what it was about the other ones I had, the leather ones from Nordstrom Rack, but those were just so stiff and tight and small on my feet. And these are the same size, a size 6. So I got a size 6 and I got a size 6.5, and these just fit perfect. And then I also got the same shoe in a different colorway. I got them in the black and gray white color, so I think these will go great with all of my outfits, and these are a true 6.5. And this is going to sound so crazy, like I probably am a little embarrassed to show you guys this because they look almost identical to my Adidas Sambas, but again, these are just so uncomfortable. I am getting huge blisters, and I wanted a similar looking sneaker that would go with all my outfits. I have been wanting these shoes regardless of the Sambas, but yeah, I'm really disappointed in how much these hurt. I did some more research, and so many other girls on TikTok were saying that like it took them an entire month to break in the shoe before they stopped hurting, and then after that they're like, yeah, they're the most comfortable shoe ever. And I'm like, I don't have a month to break in a shoe, okay? Like I leave for my trip in 2 days. Hi, I love you. I love you. I love when she sniffs me. The sniff-spection. It like tickles. And I love hearing her little sniff. So I don't know if I shared everything that I've packed, but I'm bringing more shoes than like a normal person would bring, but it's fine. I'm bringing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pairs of shoes for like an 8-day trip. Don't judge me. I've laid everything out for tomorrow. I honestly have all day tomorrow. I'm just driving to my parents' house, but I just wanted to make sure everything was laid out so that I'm ready to go. This will be my airport outfit. I'll put it in my bag when I leave, my pillow, and then this is my personal bag where I put my laptop in, all that good stuff. Yeah, I just have to put my toiletries in there. That's my carry-on, and I'm good to go.